Hey guys, so today we're going to make Skittles. You need sticky tape, white paper, colored pencils, scissors, and a ruler. So, first you need to draw 9 squares. So, just like this, and then you need to cut them. And then keep them. Now you need color pencils to color these squares. So, when you color them, you need to roll the colored paper and you need to use sticky tape to stick them, and you need to make it like this. Then when you make 8 Skittles, you need another white paper and you need to squash it to make a paper ball. And if you want, you can stick it with sticky tape. Then you put them in different positions and you can play the game. That's from me, Tony,